walk the trails where the pines grow tall, where the mist rolls down and the rivers call. I've seen the storm tear the valleys apart, but nothing moves me like the beat of your heart. You don't shout loud, you don't need to beg. You wrap around me like the morning fall, soft and steady, wild and free. It's how you love, it's how you love me. Your love hits like the mountain wind, blows through my soul, lets my walls cave in. It climbs the peaks where the eagles fly, follows the valleys beneath the wide blue sky. You don't break easy, you don't fade thin, strong as a stone, gentle as sin. I don't need nothing, just this and you. Love like the mountain wind, pure and true. You held me close when the snow came down, stayed right here when the world spun round. You know my secrets, you know my scars. You shine on me like the moon and stars. We've got roots deep where the oaks take hold, a story written in dust and gold. No need to rush, no need to run. Our kind of love is just getting young. Your love hits like the mountain wind, blows through my soul, lets my walls cave in. It climbs the peaks where the eagles fly, follows the valleys beneath the wide blue sky. It don't break easy, it don't fade thin, strong as a stone, gentle as sin. I don't need nothing, just this and you. Love like the mountain wind, pure and true. It sings through the canyons, whispers in the grass, warms up the coldest, darkest past. It changes shape, but it never ends. Same old song on the mountain bend. Let it blow, let it roll, let it carry on. This is the place where my heart belongs. Your love hits like the mountain wind, blows through my soul, lets my walls cave in. It climbs the peaks where the eagles fly, follows the valleys neath the wide blue sky. It don't break easy, it don't fade thin, strong as the stone, gentle as sin. I don't need nothing, just this and you. Love like the mountain wind, pure and true. Like the mountain wind, soft and wild, oh my. Love like the mountain wind till the